So, ginawa ko ang malaki na sales community sa Pilipinas. And hindi ako nagjo-joke. Ito yung pinakamalupit, pinakamalaki at pinakamatinding sales community sa Pilipinas. And ang pangalan nito is The Parliament. Now, time check tayo, it's already August 24. And 4:33 p.m. kakagising ko lang. It's Sunday. And maraming magtataka sa inyo bakit kakagising ko lang. So I've been working and busting my ass to to finish this community, specifically yung module niya, kasi I'm creating a community na kung saan magtuturo ako ng remote sales, work from home sales sa mga Pilipino for free. So, sobrang challenging sa akin sa part, even syempre may AI na sa internet ngayon, may AI nang available. Kailangan pa rin 'to ng sobrang careful na human touch kasi it's sales that we're talking. Paano ba magbenta? Paano maging salesperson online? So isipin niyo 'yun. Napakadaming human touch do'n, napakadaming key details na kailangan kong and kung papaano ko ba 'to ginawa is dinesign ko siya literal to the point na parang wala kang alam sa sales, even sa traditional sales. Dinisenyo ko yung modules na walang-wala kang alam, kahit sino ka, kahit saan ka manggagaling na Pilipino or as someone na nakaintindi ng Tagalog or English. Dinesign ko siya na parang doon mag-uumpisa, explain ko sa inyo yung evolution ng sales, kung paano ba nag-arrive ngayon sa remote sales na online na yung work. Tapos in-explain ko yung fundamentals niya, tapos yung 4 core competency ng remote sales. So sa mga hindi nakakalam kasi, yung remote sales nag-evolve na siya to the point na meron siyang 4 core competency. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang 4 na area na pwede mo siya maging specialty. Kasi kung paano na nagwo-work yung modern sales ngayon, guys, is may funnel na siya, may pipeline. Katulad ng marketing, may sales pipeline din. And nag-uumpisa yan sa research. After mo mag-research kung anong type ng leads or prospects yung kailangan mo, is kailangan mo na next sagutin yung tanong na papaano mo kukuhanin yung impormasyon na yon. So na-research mo na kung sino mga tao tatargetin mo, yung gusto mong bentahan. Ang next na tanong, papaano mo siya makukuha yung impormasyon ng mga tao na yon. So that's the next competency, which is lead generation. So from lead research, lead generation, now, nakuha mo na yung mga impormasyon ng mga tao na yon. Ang next na tanong, papaano ko sila kakausapin? Papaano ko sila i-outreach? Papaano ko silang i-message? Anong formula doon? Doon na yung third competency ng remote sales, which is organic lead outreach. So sales outreach siya, lahat ng available na key touch point, social media, text, call, emails, lahat ng possible area para mag-communicate ka, i-explain ko kung paano siya mag-work. And i-breakdown ko siya into science. Okay, science-based siya at saka practice. It's my over 5 years plus of experience doing remote sales, working with multiple companies and multiple entrepreneurs, working with different CEOs. And yun. Pero hindi siya nagtatapos doon, guys eh. Pag nakuha mo ng attention ng tao, pumayag na siya mag-book sa'yo ng call, ang next na tanong, paano mo kakausapin yung tao na yun to buy a service from you, to buy your product. Dito na papasok, guys, yung closing. So kung papansinin nyo, guys, unlike the traditional sales na parang bentahan mo lang, upuan mo kahit sino, ito may pipeline siya dinadaanan, may funnel. So may funnel siya, dadaan siya from research, sino ba yung mga kailangan kong targetin. Now na alam ko na yung tatargeting ko, yung next, saan ko siya kukuhanin yung mga leads na to, yung information nila, email nila, number, and whatsoever, lahat ng information. Next naman is, sige, nakuha ko na, may data na ako ng mga tao na yon. Papaano ko sila kakausapin? In anong format, anong medium, papaanong style? Dito na yung outreach. And lastly, pag nakuha mo attention nila, pumayag sila, sige, interested sila, papaano mo naman i-close yung deal na yun? And that's closing. So, dinisenyo ko tong remote sales na to the point na parang gagawin nyo na lang, pasok kayo sa community, it's all free. Gagawin niyo na lang and magugulat kayo along the way habang kinukuha niyo 'tong ano, kinukuha niyo yung knowledge na pinapasok ko dito sa mga modules natin. Ginagawa niyo na siya along the way. So, dinesign ko siya na gano'n para ma-jumpstart yung ano niyo, freelance career. So, yun, isipin niyo, meron kayong practical na training na ginagawa niyo siya along the way na magli-lead siya para makuha niyo yung first client niyo as a remote salesperson. And ang kagandahan nito is yung dinesign ko na ano na training modules guys is pwede nga lang kayong maging specialist ng isa eh. Kung sa tingin nyo mas prefer nyo yung pagiging lead generator, focus ka lang doon. Pero ito binigay ko yung 4 para mas may competency kayo sa market para alam nyo yung gagawin nyo from the ground up. Kasi since you start yung sales, might as well alamin nyo from the ground up. Then later on, as you progress sa career nyo, mamimili na lang kayo ng specialization nyo. So, ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon and ito yung kumakain ng oras ko, ito yung kumakain ng pera ko. Ito yung lahat, energy. Binigay ko lahat dito, lahat ng expertise ko para siyang diary. Literal na diary siya ng experience ko, expertise ko. Nandito lahat, even mga stories ko na nagpatalino sa akin sa sales. Ilalagay ko dito sa community. And maraming magtatanong, bakit mo to ginawa, JC? Anong meron? May catch ba yan? Ito guys, I'll be honest. Gusto ko mag-create ng wave ngayon ng mga remote salesperson na mga Pilipino to the point na sobrang galing. Kasi isa sa nakikita kong problem ngayon sa internet, guys. Maraming tao nagtuturo ng sales pero hindi naman nila alam yung sales. And hindi nila pinapractice. So as me, as someone na nakakapanood ng mga taong ganun, and I'm not against them, okay? Actually, okay nga sa akin yun kasi na-introduce nila yung sales. Pero kasi sa akin, ginagawa ko siya everyday. It's something na parang, shit, ginagawa ko to araw-araw, ba't di ko i-share? So, this is another, para siyang bagong option ng mga tao na sigurado ako, marami kayong magiging lesson dito. And practical siya. Hindi siya theory na parang ituturo sa inyo tapos yun na yun. Ito, kailangan nyo siyang gawin kasi kapag di nyo to ginawa, hindi magme-make sense. Kasi for me, I believe sales is an action driven na department. You cannot produce sales if hindi ka gagalaw. Walang nakakabenta ng taong nakahiga lang. You need to talk to people, you need to do outreach, research, and constantly nagko-close ng deal. And that's what makes a high-performing salesperson. And yun yung buhay na yung mundong iniikutan ko ngayon and gusto ko i-transfer sa inyo lahat ng knowledge na yun. So, again, maraming tatanong bakit mo gagawin yan, JC? Gusto ko mag-create ng army ng salesperson para when the time comes na I'll be creating my own company, meron akong mga taong produce na competent enough. So, pag dumating yung araw na winner na kayo na yun nandun sa next level, that's the time magko-collaborate tayo. Kasi gusto ko i-up yung standard sa ng sales skill ng mga Pilipino. And I'm dead serious about it. So, if yung friend ko, si Matthew Panganiban, shout out sa'yo brother, ina-up niya ng standard sa AI SaaS automation industry sa Pilipinas, ako naman i-up ko yung standard ng sales. So, may career sa remote sales, guys. Trust me, this is my career. I've been doing this for over 5 years na. And just by you watching this, yung video, you're already part of the creative process. So, ayun. Actually, nasa organic lead generation na ako. And tong course curriculum na to guys, it will be a 7-page module. Sobrang dami. Each module consists about probably 4 to 6 na lang. 4 to 6 na topic na sobrang in-depth at detailed. Collections of my practice, theory, knowledge sa industry, tsaka stories. So, nandito siya. Every topic may ganon. May action items na will lead you to the final module on getting your first client. So, I don't wanna overpromise na this will make you a millionaire, will give you 100,000 pesos per month na opportunity. Hindi to yun. Sales is a career and career takes time. And the reason why I created this is to jumpstart your sales career. That's my promise, jumpstart. Okay? Kasi pag na-jumpstart nyo, which is the hardest part, yun yung pinakamahirap eh. Isipin nyo, mag-i-start pa lang kayo ng career nyo. Yun yung pinakamahirap na part ng sales. And ibibigay ko yung best and I hope masolve nito yung problem na yun sa inyo na ma-jumpstart yung career nyo sa sales. So, yun. Sobrang excited na ako dito. And trust me guys, this will be revolutionary, industry, changing na community. And I hope ma-witness nyo tong greatness na to kasi I'll be putting everything on this. I'll be betting. And I hope this community will produce a lot of winners na mga salesperson sa freelance. So yun. If you're witnessing this is a raw video. Yeah, raw video yan. Unfiltered. Abangan nyo to. Okay, abangan nyo. So yun, by the time na in-upload ko to guys, means na out ko na yung community. And kung gusto yung maka-join, nasa link sa bio. Sa caption pala. And wala kang babayaran. It's all free. Consume it. Share the word. Share it to your friends na gusto matuto mag-sales. So yun, I left everything doon. As much as I can, dinesign ko siya na wala na kayong question sa akin. Kasi sinagot ko na lahat dito. Ay, nilagay ko na lahat. So yun, if you're someone who wants to venture sa world ng freelancing, specifically sales, I highly suggest bago ka mag-freelance, you will start with sales. Because when you know how to sell, you know how to sell yourself. And if you know how to sell yourself, then you will have no problem of getting clients because you know how to sell. So it's just a pinaka-fundamental na skill if you're an entrepreneur and if you will be searching what is the best skill na kailangan mo ma-acquire or top 1 na skill na kailangan mo acquire if you want to become a businessman or kaya naman an entrepreneur, sales. Because you cannot earn money if you don't know how to sell. So, eto na siya guys. Again, take action, join ka sa community, it's all free, and share to the people. So yun lang. See you sa the parliament. Peace.